सबके लाइफ में कोई ना कोई इनसिक्योर फ्रेंड रहा होगा, कोई ना कोई टॉक्सिक फ्रेंड रहा होगा, या लोग, नॉट जस्ट फ्रेंड, लोग. And it's so easy for us to tell other people that you are toxic, you are insecure, ये वैसी है, ये वैसा है, वो insecure है, ये कितना like you know whatever, like they are very toxic, they are red flag. But कभी ध्यान दिया है या कोशिश किया है कि तुम भी तो वो रेड फ्लैग हो सकते हो, तुम भी तो वो इनसिक्योर इंसान हो सकते हो, बट यू आर जस्ट नॉट अवेयर ऑफ इट. और मे बी यू आर अवेयर ऑफ इट. देर आर सम पीपल हु आर लाइक, ओ या आई एम रेड फ्लैग, आई डोंट केयर, आई मीन गुड फॉर यू, good for you. But for those people who don't know, who sometimes we put ourselves in like such a high horse, like, oh, मैं तो गलत कर ही नहीं सकती, it's you are the red flag, it's you are the insecure person. होता है, it's very normal. And to be honest, maybe 80% of the time people you are surrounded by can be toxic. But then sometimes you can also, ज़्यादा मुझे ट्रिगर नहीं करना ये वीडियो में. I'm pretty sure I might be triggering people, but that is the whole point of starting this channel, because I want people to self-analyze themselves. To self-analyze is the way to self-mastery, okay? So, continuing to toxicity and insecure people, the fact that if you are surrounded by a lot of toxic or insecure people or controlling people, it is because there is something within you that is letting that happen. That means you probably have a toxic trait that is attracting and allowing these people in. अगर ये ट्रेट नहीं होता तो ये लोग चले जाएंगे, है ना. थोड़ा सा ट्रिगरिंग हो सकता है, ये खुद पे ध्यान देना. बट हाँ, आई मीन आई वुड want each one of you to like do that self analysis. If there are any toxic people, let's just not say toxic, but like people you are not that fond of, the type of people you do not wish to meet. What is the same qualities in all of these people? Abhi, if you are someone who's saying to like toxic people I'm meeting same type of people, right? There must be some similarity, there must be something. What is the similar trait, and is that within you which is attracting it or allowing it in a way? How can you get rid of that quality? It is generally low self. बेसिक चीज़ें मैं बताती हूँ जो जनरली बहुत लोगों में होता है. So it is like lack of confidence, lack of worthiness, like you are worth of getting particular type of relationship, particular type of friendship, or particular job, particular position. Lack of worthiness, lack of proper self esteem, like खुद को भगवान भी नहीं मानना, बट खुद को एकदम ज़मीन के अंदर भी नहीं मानना. You should have a proper image of who you are. भगवान नहीं मानना मतलब खुद को ऐसे नहीं देखना कि you are above anyone. We are not above anyone, we are not below anyone. Let's see everyone as equal. If you start seeing everyone as equal, you will be like, if that person deserves that thing, then why not me? I can also work for it. अगर उससे भी मिल सकता है तो मुझे भी मिल सकता है. Can I get? Yes, self-analysis is what gonna reach you to the state of self-mastery. You know, if you know who you are, be bad with you, because even if they are, you are at the point where you are like, I don't really care, karma will take care of it. I don't really have to react, I don't really have to do anything, I don't have to take a revenge or like मुझे react करने की भी ज़रूरत नहीं है because karma will take care of it. So when you are at the point where you are not reacting on things, एक खुद का एक इतना अंडरस्टैंडिंग हो चुका है, तो कोई आके तुम्हें पिन पॉइंट भी करेगा कि तुम ऐसे हो, तुम ऐसे नहीं हो, तुम्हें नहीं फ़र्क पड़ेगा बिकॉज यू नो हु यू आर. तो तुम अननेसेसरली एनर्जी फालतू चीज़ों में देना बंद करो. तो so for now that is it. Cha cha, bye bye.